Kennedy Lifestyle case et al., including the other cases that are being coordinated for discovery. We're waiting for hopefully Joel Dew to show up, but a couple of things I wanted to cover. I had written Judge Williams telling him that Wren, Brown, Chang, and Bonar could be set at any time after September 9th. I haven't seen if they were set. Did I miss that?
We just had a status check on that yesterday. He said Wren is in front of him. Wren is in front of Judge Allen. But he said Brown, Chang, and Bonar set them all on a stack starting in February 2025.
You're right. I'm sorry that my heading had Wren as all of them, but you're right. When I wrote him the letter, I asked you to set Brown, Chang, and Bonar. So,
Honor, you have seen Hall of Fame. Come on, man.
I'm kind of a baseball fan.
Yeah, well, I'm just telling you.
As opposed to UFC.
UFC Hall of Fame.
So, Eric, did you say he has set some of them or he's getting ready to?
No, he set them all yesterday. We were at a status check. But I don't think
I haven't seen the
scheduling
scheduling order.
they haven't issued yet, but
Do you happen to have the dates? That's all right. I can look it up.
I know I can't remember the exact date. It was a stack beginning February 9th, maybe.
Oh, they all on the same side.
This is Chad Fears. I think it's February 10th.
February 10th.
Oh, thanks. And are they all on that stack?
Yeah.
2024,
2025.
25.
We set the close of discovery in all three cases for September 2024. We put them all on the stack starting in February 2025.
Well, that's because I told them that they were ready to be set up for September.
Yes.
So, all right. Well, check those three off.
What is their general?
I hate to do anything else without Joel.
We can come back next week.
Well, there is one issue too. At the last special master hearing,
Just because you want another free
Yeah.
lunch or what?
I didn't realize there was gonna be free lunch. Is there a way we can check that before we come?
at the last special master hearing, we all agreed to change the expert disclosure dates in the Wren Carrier case to match the dates in CAVA. But that would have required a little bump in the motion deadlines that you wanted to confirm with Judge Al. We've all been operating under the assumption that, the new dates are the applicable dates, but I don't know if you ever spoke to Judge Al for finalize that.
She didn't respond. She didn't respond back. All right. So what we did, let me look at this. So we set the date. We had, I do remember, we had a Carrier Wren match CAVA, right?
Yeah.
And Judge Alf had motion and limine dates at March 18th.
In the scheduling.
Change that. All right, well, I'll try to get a hold of it.
Well, we're in there arguing the motion. So, 6th.
6.
Oh, just talk. I'll see if we can get done. I'll see if I can get done before, but if not, raise it.
Okay. But if we get it consolidated, then maybe.
So we were trying to move Wren and Carrier dates to match CAVA, correct?
Yeah.
And then, and that's the motion consolidated.
Well, the motion consolidates technically not dates. trial.
No, I know, but it's Carrier and Cava.
Well, Carrier's already, Wren and Carrier have already been consolidated. So we're trying to move Cobb.
Yeah, you're trying to move that pair.
Trying to get all the babies together.
Hearings 12-6. All right. Well, there's not much we can do until I get over. Well, I'll try to contact her before the 6th. If I do, I'll let her. I'm not sure it'll be done by then. Sometimes it takes you. Yeah, why don't I do this? I'll probably set something right after the 6th. Sometimes they don't finalize it that same day. So I'll set something after. Probably, the way this case is going, I should probably set up December 7th for a Harbor.
We're adjourning.
All right, I'm going to set a follow-up hearing shortly after the 6th. We'll do it by Zoom. And for those of you who want to guess that we have a lunch here, we only have a lunch here about once a week anymore, but you're welcome to come. So is there any? It depends on the schedule. IDA.
Probably isn't good. I think that's the applied deadline.
No, I'm going to set it after
Oh,
the hearing. Yeah, I wouldn't set it the same day of the hearing because you don't know whether it's been finalized. If I set it like 2 days later, you folks can let me know if the judge has bumped it and we can move the hearing. Or I've got one where the judge said she'll decide it later in 6 months. Different judge. I don't remember. I don't remember. All right, I'm going to set a hearing shortly after the 6th. And at that time, again, it'll be Zoom and also in person. So is there anyone else on the Zoom that needs to add anything? All right, well, that was short. All right, thanks, everyone.